Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and going to Google Analytics. First, choose a clear account name and pick the property type, web or app. This determines tracking options. Once done, enter your website or app URL and set your reporting time zone and currency so data aligns with business hours. Make sure you have admin email access to confirm ownership. This will let you manage users and link other tools later. Begin now so tracking can begin immediately. Next, create a GA4 property and add a data stream for your site or mobile app. You'll see a measurement ID like GXXXX, copy it. Once copied, paste it into your site's tag manager, header, or use gtag. JS, for apps, install the Firebase/SDK and initialize with the ID. Then enable enhanced measurement to auto-track clicks and page views, and configure basic filters and user ID so your reports are cleaner and user-focused. This step wires your traffic into analytics. Finally, verify that data appears in real time within a few minutes by visiting your site or firing a test event. Link Google Ads and Search Console for richer insights, then define conversions and custom events to capture goals. Make sure to adjust user permissions for team members and set data retention. If you see no data, check tag placement in the page header, confirm the correct measurement ID, and disable ad blockers or privacy scripts. Also test with an incognito window to rule out cached issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.